updated for additional vehicle information. This is a child abduction alert issued by the Texas Amber Alert Network. The Selma Police Department is searching for Simon Colby Wayman, white male, 6 years old, date of birth 8/17/2005, height 4 feet, 0 inches, weight 90 lbs, blonde hair, brown eyes and wearing white t-shirts with black cars, brown khaki shorts with no shoes. Police are looking for one black and one white suspect in his abduction. The suspects are driving a red 1990 Toyota Celica GT with Texas license plate CG5G973. The suspect was last heard from in Selma, Texas. Law enforcement officials believe this child to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the Selma Police Department at 210-651-5368.